Oh, very nice. Very nice box, very nice toy. Let's have a look and open it inside and see what we will find. I think it's a Mia Mario. Lovely.
That's the wrong way.
It's the wrong way. Luigi, don't fall. Oh no, Luigi, it's the wrong way. Is it this way? Is it this way?
No.
Oh, let's turn it around. This way. Is this way right? Luigi, this way. That's right. And what is that next to you, Luigi? Where'd you go, Luigi? Come back. There you on the bottom. And let's try and balance. No, it's not working. You go on the top. So look at the boxes for age 4 plus, 2-player. What do you got there? Oh, took a drop.
That's
We're
me.
balancing now. It's a me, Mario. I balance. We okay now. We all balance. We got the dice here. Not sure what that's for. We play. We roll. See how many we put on. We all balance and oh, we nearly. Oh no, we all fall down again.
Except from him.
Yes, let's get back on. Luigi, you come back.
Look at the ball. Luigi.
That's you. It's me, Mario, and it's you, Luigi. Let's try again to balance together. Yes, I'm on the bottom. Where you gonna go? Oops, whirly round. You on the top?
You're the wrong way round.
Oh, I'm the wrong way round. I'm at the back. Let's turn around, thank you. Oh, Luigi fell again. You find that funny, Luigi? I took a drop too. I'm back on the top, everybody. And I'm having so